फेड के पॉलिसी मेंबर और फेडरल रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ सेंट लुइस के प्रेसिडेंट एल्बर्टो मुस्लिम की स्पीच आ गई है। उन्होंने कहा है इन्फ्लेशन प्रोग्रेस में बी ए लॉन्गर स्लोअर प्रोसेस देन मैनी मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट करंटली होप। सेंट लुइस फेड प्रेसिडेंट नोटेड स्पेशली that the labor market remained particularly tight and that it could take entire month or quarters before policies drag inflation back to convincing Fed target level. I need to observe a period of favorable inflation moderating demand and expanding supply before he will have confidence for an interest rate cut. The retail sales data for May suggest aggregate demand is growing at a moderate pace so far in quarter 2. I will remain vigilant until inflation is clearly and convincingly is well on its way back to 2%. If inflation becomes stuck meaningfully above 2% or move higher, I would support additionally policy tightening. These conditions could take months and more likely quarters to play out. I expect some further cooling in labor market in coming months. The labor market no longer seems overheated but remains tight. I expect aggregate consumption to moderating in coming quarters without stalling and then return to slightly exceed trend by 2026. Financially, conditions feel accommodative in some part of the economy and restrictive in others. It is possible that monetary policy transmission may be slower this cycle. Personal consumption expenditure price index should show welcome downshift of inflation in May. The current monetary policy stance seems restrictive, but there is some uncertainty about to what degree. Continued high employment and wage growth should moderate impact of easing labor market condition on aggregate demand.